Merhaba arkadaşlar, it's Can from Turkish'le, and today we have a special guest. Barry is with us. Today we are gonna compare Turkish with Spanish. So we are gonna see how similar are they. Hoş geldin Barry.
Thank you very much, Jan. Empecemos.
Hadi başlayalım. Baba,
Papá,
para,
para,
fatura,
factura,
televizyon,
televisión,
telefon,
teléfono,
politika,
política,
disiplin,
disciplina,
bisiklet,
bicicleta,
marka,
marca,
motosiklet,
motocicleta,
vampir,
vampiro,
yoğurt,
yogur,
lavabo,
lavabo,
bluz,
blusa,
avukat,
abogado,
limonata,
limonada,
normal,
normal,
lider,
líder,
biberon,
biberón,
embesil.
imbécil.
So we're done with the first part, and now we're gonna play a game with Barry. So I'm gonna say some words in Turkish, and Barry will try to guess the meanings of those words. So shall we start?
Ben hazırım.
Okay.
Estoy lista.
The first word. Volkan.
Volcán, volcano.
Volcano, right?
Uh-huh.
They're pretty similar.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Baño.
I know this one. Baño, toilet.
Okay. Are these easy for you? I wish I chose more difficult words.
Harder ones.
Kara.
Cara, face.
Kara means face in
Uh-huh.
Spanish? Okay.
Cara, face. Yes.
It means dark in Turkish.
In Turkish,
Yeah,
yes.
so it's different.
For example, like cara paraş.
Kara paraş.
Cara paraş.
Kıskandık galiba biraz komiser.
Kıskanmak mı?
In Spanish, there's also para. Para also is a Spanish word, right?
Uh-huh, correct.
So it's like face, money, love. In
Face,
Spanish.
money, love. Yeah. Cara paraş, dinero sucio.
Dinero sucio. Dinero sucio.
So different. Dinero sucio. Dinero para, sucio, cara.
Tamam, peki. Let's see the other word. Çimento.
Maybe it sounds like cemento, this for construction material. That's how it sounds like. So I will relate it to cemento in Spanish, this construction material. What is it called in English?
I think it's cement. I couldn't do it.
We have many similar words.
I couldn't trick you. Casa.
Huh. Casa, house, home.
Home.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Casa in Turkish is the place where you put your money. Next word. Kol.
Cool. Wait. Okay, there is one vegetable. Kol, which is, I think in Turkish is like the purple one, the mor lahana.
Patlıcan.
No,
no.
mor lahana.
Lahana.
That one in Spanish is kol.
Kol.
Aha, that one.
In Turkish, kol means arm. So they have a different meaning.
Arm in Spanish is vegetable, kol.
Yeah. We will tell each other 3 sentences, and then we will try to guess the meanings.
Are you ready?
Yes.
¿Estás listo?
Yep.
Ok, muy bien. Empecemos. En mi casa hace mucho calor.
Okay, can you say it slower?
Ajá. En mi casa hace mucho calor.
En mi casa. Casa means cash. Wait. Casa means house. El mucho. Mucho means like a lot. Bugün evim çok sıcak. Bugün evim çok sıcak.
That's correct.
Okay.
That's correct.
Today my house is so hot.
Yes.
Okay. For the context, I don't know any Spanish except gracias and amigos. I guessed it because when you came home, we talked about how hot the outside is. So I thought maybe you can give an
You got it from
example
there.
from that.
Pepe pecas, pica papas.
Pepe picas, papa picas.
Pepe pecas,
Pepe picas.
pica papas.
Pepe, the only Pepe I know is the football player. Pepe picas. Pepe is like baby. Pepe.
No,
No.
that is bebe.
Pepe.
This one is Pepe.
Pepe. Pepe. It sounds like it's grandma or granddad Pepe. Or it's like pepper.
Okay, that's kind of close. No, but no.
No?
It's a boy's name, Pepe.
Okay. I think I give up for that. I don't know. What's that?
I will be honest, that's a bit difficult because normally that is a tongue twister. But it can have a meaning. Pepe, it's like a boy's name.
Okay.
Pecas is chul, these ones. Pica, like it's
Cutting, chopping?
like cutting or chopping.
Okay.
Papas is potato, patates.
So what's the meaning of the sentence?
There's no meaning.
There's
It's
no
just
meaning?
a tongue twister. I just wanted to put it difficult. There's no meaning.
Okay. Okay. And one more sentence.
One more sentence. Okay. Okay. I found one. En Estambul hay muchos gatos.
Istanbul'da, in Istanbul, and muchos is like very, gutos. You love something in Istanbul. Or
There is something in Istanbul.
there's gutos. There are a lot of good things in Istanbul.
It's a good thing.
Okay. Food. In Istanbul, good
Yes.
food.
Something that everybody loves.
Good
And they
toast.
get surprised when they come to Istanbul. Meow.
Oh, cat. Oh, okay. Good to is cat then. Good toast. Okay. In
Exactly.
Istanbul, there are a lot of cats.
Yes.
Okay.
En Estambul hay muchos gatos.
But I love how it sounds. I
Yeah.
really love how it sounds.
Like, does it come to you like a soft language or like a strong language?
It
How does it
doesn't come
to
to me as a soft language. It's a strong language, but it's like a melody. It's like a melody. The tone that you guys speak, and you speak Mexican Spanish.
Yes.
The tone that you speak is like really beautiful to me, and I love how it sounds.
Like
Yeah.
you enjoy it.
Yeah,
and
I enjoy it.
feel the same with Turkish. To me, Turkish, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, Turkish is a very difficult language. Like the grammar, what it is in Spanish, it's totally the opposite in Turkish. But how it sounds, it's just amazing from the beginning. Like music to my ears. So I really enjoy as well Turkish.
Bugün mahallede çocuklar oyun oynuyor.
Okay.
I repeat it.
Please.
Bugün mahallede çocuklar oyun oynuyor.
Okay, I think I got it. The children are playing on the street today.
Evet, yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yes.
But you have an unfair advantage here because you're living in Turkey and your Turkish is good. I'll give you a more difficult sentence.
Please
Tamam.
challenge me. I want to see
Okay.
it.
Dost acı söyler.
Dost acı söyler. Okay, dost is a friend.
Yep.
Friend. Acı söyler. Söyler is like they can say.
Yeah.
Acı is like, in Mexico we love that. Like spicy. Acı. But it makes no sense. Maybe like friends can say the truth probably and it
That's
can be
true.
painful.
She got that.
Yeah.
She got that too. She got
Like
it too.
friends never lie. They will always say you that.
Exactly. Friends tell you what hurts. It kind of has such a meaning.
Okay.
My last sentence. Just give you a completely unrelated sentence. Bugün dışarıda yürürken kafama saksı düştü.
Buldum.
Buldun mu? What do you think it is?
Buldum. Can you repeat it just one more time,
Tamam.
please?
Bugün dışarıda yürürken kafama saksı düştü.
Okay, today while I was outside, one pot fell on my head.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. Okay. I need to find one sentence that you can't translate. Bugün okulda Mehmet'in hakkını yediler.
Okay, today at school. Hakkını yediler. Like they ate.
Yep.
Metin? Mehmet.
Mehmet.
Person's name?
Yeah.
Mehmet.
Mhm.
Hakkının. Like the patients? No, hakkı ne demek? What's the meaning of hakkı? No, I don't know
You
that
couldn't
one.
find this? Okay.
No, I don't know
Okay.
that one.
So it means today at school, they were not fair to Mehmet. They did something unfair to him.
They were bullying him.
Kind of.
Poor Mehmet.
Kind of. And hak means right. It can mean like today at school, they took Mehmet's right.
That one because of that word. I
That was
couldn't find
difficult.
like the mean. Yeah, that one was a difficult one. I didn't find the meaning
Okay.
in the
Good.
sentence.
Finally, I found one
One.
word that you didn't know. Cool. Thanks a lot for watching the video, guys. We tried to compare Spanish with Turkish. As you can see, there are a lot of similar words, and both languages are beautiful. So, since we were talking about Istanbul and the Turkish language, if you want to learn Turkish, we have A1, A2, and B1 level Turkish courses. You can check them out with the link in the description. Berry, I think you have amazing guides. Would you like to tell them about your guides?
Thank you very much. Yes, also since we were talking about Istanbul as well, if you are interested in visiting Istanbul and in general Turkey, Cappadocia, Ephesus, and the mainly touristy cities, you can visit my guides and my itineraries here in the description box and pinned comment. Thank you very much, Jan.
You're welcome, Barry. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to Turkishle and Barry's channel, Barry Istanbul Tips. We'll give all the links in the description below. Kendinize iyi bakın. Görüşürüz.
Adios.